Hello 7th class. 7th class students, this one is the part 5th video of this chapter and the chapter name is the Delhi Sultanate. In the previous video we have completed our chapter, and in this video what we do? We will solve the exercises and the some question answer that given in this chapter. Okay, so let's start. So student, one question is given here. List 3 administrative measures of Muhammad bin Tughlaq that failed. वो 3 क्या क्या पॉलिसीज थी जो कि मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक की फेल हुई? वो क्या क्या थी स्टूडेंट्स? A1, शिफ्टिंग ऑफ द कैपिटल. सो फर्स्ट वन इज शिफ्टिंग ऑफ द कैपिटल. And the second one, token currency, means copper currency. Policy and military expedition. Military expedition. Is that clear? The next question is here. What steps did Sikandar Lodi take to make the life of his people better? क्या स्टेप उठाए थे सिकंदर लोदी ने? So students, he promoted trade by providing well. He promoted trade by providing well protected and better road. Okay, now the next question is there. Why were the nobles displeased with Ibrahim Lodi? So answer is there. He displeased his nobles by replacing the older ones with younger nobles who were loyal to him. Revolts broke out and the older nobles conspired against him. Is that clear? The next question, why did the nobles of Ibrahim Lodi invite Babur? Lodi faced a number of rebellions from his relatives. His Afghan nobility eventually invited Babur to invade India. Okay, so now multiple choice question are there. First question is there. Qutbuddin Aibak was the ruler of which dynasty? So answer is there, slave dynasty. And who is regarded as the real founder of the Delhi Sultanate? So answer is Iltutmish. Now the next one, the Khalji dynasty was founded by whose? Jalaluddin. The next, who followed the policy of blood and iron? So answer is Balban. Who was the founder of Lodi dynasty? So answer is Behlol Lodi. So the student read the extract and answer the questions. So the generosity of Sultan and failure of his schemes resulted in a huge financial loss. Sultan again thought of an ambitious plan. He decided to issue token currency. Copper coins were issued by him, which had the same legal value as silver or gold coins. Like his other schemes, his schemes also flopped. So student, now question is there, who was the Sultan? ये किस सुल्तान के बारे में कही गई हैं ये बातें? So वो कौन थे? मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक. मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक ने क्या किया था? उनकी जो 3 उन्होंने योजनाएं बनाई थी वो फेल हुई थी. फर्स्ट कौन सी थी? शिफ्टिंग द कैपिटल Okay, shifting of the capital, and the second one introduction of the copper currency, and the third one military expedition. और ये तीनों की तीनों क्या हुई थी, फ्लॉप्ड हुई थी. So the answer is there. Who was the Sultan? Ghiyasuddin, sorry, Muhammad bin Tughlaq was the Sultan. Why the plan of copper currency flopped? Why? So the student, copper coins were cheaper and were easy to copy. People started minting their own copper currency, and the empire was flooded with counterfeit coins. The financial system began to collapse. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या है कि कॉपर कॉइन्स की क्या थे, चीपर थे और उनको आसानी से कॉपी कर सकते थे, बहुत ही सस्ती थी ये, और लोगों ने इसको क्या किया, कॉपी करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, जिससे क्या हुई, एम्पायर वॉज फ्लडेड विद काउंटरफीट. बहुत सी करेंसी से क्या हुआ, पूरा का पूरा एम्पायर भर गया, और इससे उनके फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम में भी क्या आई, गड़बड़ी आई. ओके, सो देयर इज गिवन द सम ऑल्सो अनदर क्वेश्चंस. So students, you have to do this exercise yourself. Okay, try to solve yourself. आप खुद करके देखें तो आप अच्छे से कर पाएंगे और वो चीज़ें easily आपको लर्न भी हो जाएंगी. Okay, so now the questions are there. We will do only the question answer. Okay, so now let's start. So students, here is given the some terms. The D part, explain the terms of names in one or two sentences. So first one is given, blood and iron. Students, the blood and iron policy used to suppress the internal revolts and protect the Sultanate from external invasion. Okay, the next one is Pabos. So Pabos, kissing the feet of the kind. राजा के पैर को चूमना. Kissing the feet of the kind. Okay, so next one, Sijda. So Sijda refers to turn down. Okay, refers to turn down head towards the king and on the ground. ओके, ये पॉलिसी राजा ही चलवाते थे अपने सम्मान के लिए कि हमारी जो प्रजा है हमारी रिस्पेक्ट करे. Okay. Okay, the next one is given here, the Timure Lung. Amir Timur, a Mongol king known as Timura Lung, and it means iron, and Timur translates to east and symbolizes hope by the rising sun. That one is clear. So the next one is Tanka. Okay, so Tanka, Iltutmish introduced silver Tanka. Iltutmish introduced silver Tanka as a coins of the Delhi Sultanate. Got it? And the next one is Jital. ये भी इल्तुतमिश ने ही इसको इशू किया था, और किसमें? द कॉपर में. द कॉपर Jital issued by Iltutmish. Okay, as a coins of Delhi Sultanate. Got it, everyone? So the next one is given here, Jizya. So Jizya क्या था? Jizya was a tax imposed on non-Muslims for their protection. Is that clear? So the next one is Iqta. What is the meaning of Iqta, students? So the Iqta, land grants given to the nobles and officials. Okay. So the next one is Tariq. What is the meaning of Tariq? It is an Arabic word. Tariq is an Arabic word meaning history. Clear, everyone? So the student, next question is there, the question first, that is the E part. Qutbuddin Aibak was the greatest builder. Name the monuments built by him. So answer is there. So answer first, the significant monument built by Qutbuddin Aibak were Kuwait-ul-Islam, that is mosque, and Qutub Minar in Delhi. The Adhai Din Ka Jhopada in Ajmer. Is that clear? So the student, next second question is there. Why was the shifting of the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad was a wrong move? So answer is there. By the time raised people Daulatabad, Muhammad bin Tughlaq changed his mind and decided to abandon the new capital and move to his old capital. It is believed that he wished to shift the capital as a safeguard measures from Mongol invasions. And this plan, the shifting of Delhi, was completely failed. Is that clear? Now the next third one question is there. What were the factors that hastened the end of the Tughlaq dynasty? So answer is there. So the student, the causes of the end of the Tughlaq dynasty. The first one is the annexation of the south and the failure of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The weakness of Firuz Shah Tughlaq, incompetence of the successors of the Firuz Shah Tughlaq, and invasion of Timur. Okay, that these were the factors that hastened the end of the Tughlaq dynasty. The next fourth one question is there. What were the welfare programs undertaken by Firuz Shah Tughlaq? So student, answer is there. So students, infrastructure and education, Tughlaq instituted economic policies to increase the material welfare of his people. Many rest houses, gardens, tombs and number of madrasas were built. Is that clear? Now the next question, fifth one question is there. Describe the military reforms of Alauddin Khalji. So answer is there. So the students, Alauddin Khalji maintained a strong and huge standing of army to safeguard his empire. He introduced the system of branding of horses to make sure that the soldiers do not substitute them with the cheaper one. He abolished Jagir system and paid the salaries in cash. Got it? Okay, the students, here is given the creative analysis and evaluation based question. So, what is given here? Why was Muhammad bin Tughlaq called the wisest fool in history? So, answer is there. So, students, Muhammad bin Tughlaq referred to as the wise fool in Indian history because he undertook numerous students administrative reforms and most of them failed. Okay, due to the lack of plan, and judgment, these several projects were failure. Transfer of capital from Delhi to Devagiri, known as Daulatabad. Okay, and again the introduction of token currency were also flopped, जिसके कारण उसको हिस्ट्री का समझदार होते हुए भी मूर्ख इंसान बोला गया. So the next one is given here, the F part, give reasons for the following. The first one is given, the failure of military expedition of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So answer is there. So students, Muhammad bin Tughlaq launched two military expedition to military expedition. और वो कौन कौन थे? खुरासन and Karachil expedition. Due to these expedition, his army faced many difficulties and led to the death. So this made scheme failure. Got it? Student, that also the next question, B part, sorry, B part of the F. The failure of Muhammad bin Tughlaq scheme of token currency. So answer is there. Copper coins were cheaper and were easy to copy. So क्या हुआ? People started minting their own copper currency with counterfeit. Okay, counterfeit coins. The financial system began to collapse. Okay, and the students, अब यही आंसर आप यहाँ भी कॉपी कर सकते हैं. वेयर Dear student, why the plan of copper currency flopped? So the same answer here. The copper coins were cheaper and were easy to copy. People started minted their own copper currency with counterfeit coins. The financial system began to collapse. Is that clear? And the next one is given here, student. G part. In the following boxes, give the causes for the effect given in A. Given the effect of the cause given in B. So, what is the effect given here? Babur defeated and killed Ibrahim Lodi and marked the end of the Delhi Sultanate. So, उसका कारण क्या बना? क्या था? First battle of Panipat. Is that clear? And now the second one, the B part. Cause Muhammad bin Tughlaq shifted his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. और इसका क्या effect पड़ा? So, I am writing this foolishness caused a lot of what? Resentment and misery of people. You will note down in your book. Okay, and this one is the effect. Got it? So students, the match the columns are also given here. There is a given the A part and the next one is B part. So first one is Ibrahim Lodi. Who was Ibrahim Lodi, students? You know very well. उन्होंने क्या किया था? फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत. बिकॉज जहाँ पर मैच हम उसी से करेंगे जो उसके क्या होंगे, जहाँ स्टेटमेंट उनसे मैच खाती हो. सो यहाँ पर इब्राहिम लोदी, फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत, एंड कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक वॉज द फर्स्ट सुल्तान ऑफ दिल्ली, एंड मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक शिफ्टेड हिज कैपिटल फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू देवागिरी. एंड द ऑप्शन विच वन इज करेक्ट? द फर्स्ट. ओके, C-A-B. Okay, C-A-B. Got it? Now fill in the blanks already given here, students. आमिर खुसरो, उन्होंने कौन सी वो दो उनकी जो बुक थी वो लिखी थी, उनका आपको यहाँ पे नेम राइट करना है, क्योंकि वो क्या कर रही है? गिव अस द रिकॉर्डेड हिस्ट्री ऑफ वेरियस इवेंट्स दैट हैपन ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ दिल्ली सल्तनत. सो विच वर Tughlaqnama and Tarikh-e-Ilahi. Is that clear? And the next one, foreign travelers like, कौन कौन आए थे फॉरेन से? Visited India during the Sultanate period. Ibn Battuta and Marco Polo. Is that clear? And the next one, the first battle of Panipat took place between Ibrahim Lodi and Babur. Okay? And who was the founder of the slave of Mamluk dynasty? So, Kutubuddin Aibak. And Balban introduced the practices of what? Which policy? Blood and iron. And who was the greatest Lodi ruler? So, Sikandar Lodi. And the Mongol ruler invaded India in 1398. Which ruler? Amir Timur. Got it? Now match the following also given here. हमें ए पार्ट को देखना है, बी को देखना है, और जो स्टेटमेंट जिसके लिए करेक्ट दी गई है वहाँ पर हम इसको मैच करेंगे. सो तिमुरल लंग कौन थे? दैट वाज द ही वाज द मंगोल इन्वेडर. फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत ने क्या किया था? मार्क द बिगनिंग ऑफ द मुगल रूल इन इंडिया. सिकंदर लोधी, ग्रेटेस्ट लोधी रूलर. एंड बरानी कौन थे? जिन्होंने अपनी बुक लिखी थी तारीख फिरोज शाही. रजिया सुल्तान वॉज द फर्स्ट मुस्लिम वुमेन रूलर. ब्लड एंड आयरन बलबन की पॉलिसी थी, स्कीम थी. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आवर चैप्टर इज ओवर. आई थिंक यू गॉट इट. एंड if you feel some doubts in this chapter, so आप previous video देख सकते हैं. Okay, so now student, keep reading. Okay, be safe and keep reading.